If your closet is overflowing with clothes you don't wear anymore, don't rush to donate them just yet. Because today, we're exploring some of the most creative ways to upcycle all kinds of clothing into something fresh, stylish, and completely unique. Whether it's old jeans, oversized t-shirts, worn out sweatshirts, dated dresses, button-up shirts, sweaters, jackets, or even pieces with stains or small holes, there's almost always a way to give them a brand new purpose. Sometimes all it takes is a pair of scissors, a sewing machine, and a little imagination to turn something forgotten into your new favorite piece. In this video, you'll discover inspiring ideas that can help you transform everyday clothing into fashionable creations that look like they came from a boutique instead of the back of your closet. From combining fabrics and adding ruffles, lace, patchwork details, or creative embellishments to completely changing the shape and style of a garment, these ideas prove that you don't have to spend a fortune to have a wardrobe full of one-of-a-kind pieces. Upcycling isn't just about saving money, it's about expressing your creativity, reducing waste, and finding possibilities where other people see clothes headed for the donation pile. Whether you're an experienced sewist or just getting started, there's something here to spark your imagination and encourage you to try something new. So grab your favorite thrift store finds, pull out those clothes you've been meaning to do something with, and get ready for a collection of amazing ideas that will have you looking at every garment in a whole new way. By the end of this video, you just might discover that your next favorite outfit is already hiding in your closet, waiting for a creative makeover. Once you start looking at clothing as fabric instead of finished garments, your creativity opens up in ways you probably never imagined. Every closet has pieces that seem like great purchases at the time, but now sit untouched. And those forgotten items can become the starting point for your next favorite project. A pair of jeans with worn knees can be taken apart and combined with cotton prints for a stylish patchwork jacket. Oversized button-up shirts can become trendy sleeveless tops, lightweight cardigans, or even mixed with lace for a completely different look. Sweatshirts can be transformed with color blocking or fabric inserts that give them new life without requiring a complicated pattern. Even garments that have small stains shouldn't automatically be thrown away because embroidery, decorative patches, pockets, or creative fabric overlays can easily disguise imperfections while adding personality. Mixing textures is another great way to make a project stand out. Combining denim, flannel, linen, cotton, lace, or knit fabrics creates contrast that gives every piece a custom look. You can also experiment with changing sleeves, necklines, hems, or silhouettes to create something that better matches your personal style. Sometimes a project only needs one creative change to feel brand new, while other garments become exciting because of several small details working together. The wonderful thing about upcycling is that there isn't just one right answer. Every piece becomes a blank canvas where you can experiment, learn new sewing techniques, and create clothing that reflects your own creativity instead of following trends. One of the biggest rewards of upcycling is realizing that every project teaches you something new. The more you sew, cut, combine fabrics, and experiment with different techniques, the more confident you become. And before long, you'll start looking at thrift stores, yard sales, and even your own laundry basket with completely different eyes. Instead of asking whether something is old, you'll start asking what it could become. That's where the real fun begins, because inspiration can come from almost anywhere. A simple trim can completely change the personality of a garment. Decorative stitching can turn ordinary seams into beautiful design elements. And adding ruffles, pleats, contrasting fabrics, or unique closures can give clothing a custom boutique feel without spending a fortune. Every finished piece becomes something that nobody else owns because it reflects your imagination and your personal style. Even if every project isn't perfect, each one builds your skills and encourages you to try something even more creative the next time you sit down at your sewing machine. That's what makes upcycling so rewarding. You aren't just making clothes, you're creating wearable art, while saving money and giving perfectly usable fabrics a second chance. If you enjoyed these ideas, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future sewing inspiration. You'll also find tutorial videos linked in the description if you'd like to learn specific sewing techniques step by step. And don't forget to browse the playlist for even more upcycling ideas, sewing inspiration, and creative fashion makeovers. Then click the video that's on your screen now to keep the inspiration going. And I'll see you there.